How to get the channel ID of your YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get the channel ID of your YouTube channel. First, we're going to open a browser and open studio.youtube.com on the web. So let's just click go. It will open a YouTube studio on the web, and on this side you will see these icons, and we'll just zoom in and we will go to this icon for channel customization. You click on that icon. This will open the channel customization. Here, channel customization. Then scroll down and let's look for the channel URL. Here is our channel URL. Our channel URL here, it states here, it includes our unique channel ID. So the letters after the word channel slash, this one that starts with UC, that's our channel ID. So from channel URL, the last part, which is composed of letters and numbers, is our channel ID. So you just need to copy this one and you can paste it, like for example here in the notes. Paste it. We already got our channel ID. So you can use this when you fill out forms that is requiring your YouTube channel ID. That's it. Thanks for watching.